for that.
Peppers.
Which one? The Filipino peppers.
Peppers are down there.
Oh, this is. Oh, wait, are there different colors? And this is green and. Yeah, where is that?
Cucumber.
Woo! You like this or that?
Chutney.
Flowers. I just know that they're pretty.
Which one do you like for cucumber? Salad slicer?
Purple is
Alin? Alin ang cucumber natin? Ito ba yun?
Mom,
Ano yan?
hindi ko alam. Pili.
Sige, wait lang. What else? Honey? Hawakan mo, love.
No. Oh, so many. Oh.
What else, honey? Pechay, bok choy. Where's the bok choy, honey? Bok choy? Pechay. Ay, hanap na ng pechay. This cabbage.
Oh, yeah. We go.
There's no bok choy.
Mommy, ano?
You don't like golden yung
Ito nakita ko. Pero gusto ko lang.
why is the okra like this? Alin? What is that for? Wait, alin dito ang mas malapit na okra sa
We
atin?
choose from here.
Alin dito ang mas malapit na okra sa atin?
All these.
I'm just choosing. Ito?
I think I remember it having those little things. Okra. Yup. Carrot.
What? Which one?
Get the marigolds.
Keep the marigolds.
You have tulips. You don't need tulips.
We have tulips.
Marigolds and one more.
It looks so cute.
What's that?
Carrot. I don't know.
Allison.
No, this one only we can buy later on.
Okay. Goodbye, later.
Oh wait,
You ready?
Mama.
Yeah.
I'm playing cards. There's too many.
Too many, mommy.
There's too many cards.
What is that for, honey?
Start it. Get your vegetables going.
Carrot. Tomato. Tomato.
Like this, I think. Like that, not that.
Cucumber. Oh, eggplant. Yeah.
Yeah, remove it, honey.
Lettuce. Carrot. I could get my.
Ay,
Ito yung una
may
kong
mga
nakita.
pinicture.